Okay, so looking at my double entry journal, the three that I choose um, or chosen that I like the most. So the first one from Wonder that I picked was when given the choice being right or being kind, choose kind. I really loved whenever I got to this part because you can relate that to your everyday life. I mean, some people, I do feel, as including myself, it's so much easier to get angry at a situation instead of just, you know what, letting it go. I'm going to choose kindness. And we know with August or Augie in the story, he had a lot of situations where he could have chosen anything but kindness. My next one that I liked was why do we have to be so ugly, mommy? This kind of got to my heart because it really made me want to cry, as you can see, like in my double entry journal. But you never really realize what other people are going through. And when I was reading this book, it kind of really made me think of, oh my goodness, I am so blessed because if I had faced, I don't know what you call it, abnormalities, I guess. Um, I don't know how I would feel. I would feel very insecure. And throughout this book, like in the beginning, like Augie was, very nervous and very shy, like I mentioned on my roll sheet. And he became like a really, really strong person that I really looked up to be honest. My last one that I really liked was Jack, sometimes you don't have to be mean to hurt someone. And this really stood out to me because like I don't mean to say so, but for me, like I can kind of be a little rude and I could be waking up on the wrong side of the bed, but I can even do something that's not even considered mean and it can hurt someone's feelings. And this really stood out to me when I was in this book with Jack. I mean, you don't have to be mean to hurt someone. And that really connected to me in my heart. So, yep, those are my three.